Hello everyone, this is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. Today I want to introduce you my new video course, how to make a long summer dress with a patch pockets and decorative facing. It's pretty hard to make a high quality decorative facing. In the course we show you all the needed techniques in detail. We show you the techniques which we use in my fashion house, which we are sure of. Most of them we create ourselves, so you won't find them in any books or magazines or other tutorials. The patch pockets are lined. Notice that there are slits in the side seams. Have a close look at them. They're absolutely perfect. It took us quite a lot of time to make space and seams in them, fold them with a ruler, and iron them accurately. The slits are doubled with the interfacing material. Due to this fact, the edges of the slits are pretty strong. If you don't pay special attention to the slits when sewing a dress, they won't look good. This is a perfect summer dress. It's pretty loose. I've already shown you a similar dress, which we made for one of the customers of my fashion house. A lot of people liked it and asked me to show you how to make it. This is why I've decided to make this video course. Buy it and you'll be able to make such dresses yourselves. You can also thrust your hands into the pockets. I don't like it when people do it. Anyway, I want to show you that it is possible to do it. Due to the fact that the dress is close-fitting at the top and flared down from the bust, it's very comfortable. Even when I thrust my hands into the pockets, the dress is not too tight. Have a look at the back. The center back seam, waist tucks, facing on the neckline. I want you to have a close look at the dress while I'm wearing it. And then I'll take it off and put it on the table to show you the details. As I've already said, I decided to shoot this course because you had asked for it. This is a perfect summer dress. The summer is on, so it's the high time for sewing such dresses. I know that in some parts of the world, the weather allows wearing such garments throughout the whole year. The customer, who we had made such dress for, told me that this is her favorite dress this season. She wears it non-stop. I understand what she's talking about. Once I've put the dress on, I don't want to take it off. I also love the fact that my accessories match the dress perfectly. What does the course consist of? First, I show you how to change a basic pattern into the one for this dress, both the front and the back. I show you how to cut and tack the dress. I show you the first fitting and the changes making. I show you the making and stitching of each and every detail, spacing seams, top stitching. I show you how to make the pockets. I remind you that they're lined. I didn't want to line the pockets, but Natalie insisted on doing it. She gave me a very serious look and told me that we had to line them. In the course we show you how to make such decorative facing. This is a very complicated detail. It's hard to make it. We show you the technique, which took us quite a lot of time to come up with. We've added a lot of different details to this dress. Lined pockets, doubled slits, decorative facing, invisible zipper to the center back. There was actually no need for us to make it. We did it all just to show you more useful techniques. I wanted to be able to sew and wear anything you want. The dress is pretty simple, but the techniques used for making it are rather complicated. Next, I'll take the dress off and put it on the table to show you the details both from the wrong and from the right sides. I want you to know exactly what I offer you before buying the course. In the course, Natalie helps me sew the dress. Those who watch my videos know that Natalie is a professional tailor. She makes absolutely amazing garments. Next, I'll take the dress off and put it on the table to show you the details. Have a look at the table. This is the dress I've just taken off. I want to show you some of the details. Have a close look at the pockets. As I've already said, they are lined. The lining is made of cambric. In the course, we show you the making of such pockets in detail. Next, have a close look at the facing on the neckline. Here it is. The facing is absolutely perfect. To make it, you need to know some special sewing techniques which we show you in the course. We also show you how to make this detail. This is the point where the zipper crosses the facing. Have a close look at it. Perfect. Have a close look at the armhole. It's edged with a bias binding made of cambric. The neckline is edged with the facing, and the armholes with the bias binding. Have a close look at it. These details make this dress very light and comfortable. What is also very important is that we show you how to edge the slits accurately. You've already seen how they look like from the right side. And now I want to show you how they look like from the wrong side. Have a close look at the slit. The edges are perfectly straight. This detail is of a very high quality. Notice that the slits and the bottom were top stitched with the decorative threads. It takes quite a lot of time to make such details. Anyway, I'm sure that you'll manage to do it after watching the videos. Everything's possible. Practice makes perfect. I think that it's a pleasure to wear accurate, high-quality garments, even if it's just a summer dress. You saw me wearing this dress, and I also showed you how it looks like from the wrong side. When I had shown you the customer's dress, and you started asking me to show you its making, I wasn't so sure about it. When I agreed, I told everyone that I didn't need such dress, that I'd just give it to someone when it's ready. Now that the dress is ready, I don't want to give it away. I love it. I want to wear it with my favorite blue accessories. This is a perfect summer dress. It's very light and comfortable. The dress is made of linen. It's long and pretty loose. It's close-fitting on the top and flared down from the bust. The armholes are edged with the bias binding, so they are very light. I'm sure that having bought the course, you'll manage to make such amazing dresses yourselves. Good luck in sewing! We're Irina Paukšte, Natalie, and our team. Buy our courses and be different and beautiful. Thank you. Goodbye.